Oh, there we go. Welcome back to the Cooking Journal. Hey, man, so y'all doing a really good job, man. I ain't joking, man. I've been doing this for a long time. Y'all doing a good job keeping up with Cooking General. You know, I'm showing you basic recipes, not have to use a lot of different stuff. Now you have to go and buy all this expensive stuff, and I'm gonna keep it that way, you know what I'm saying? We just gonna do basic, you know what I'm saying? I just take basic. You wanna learn more, go to a chef. Hey, I'm just a general. Hey, check this out here. Now today we're gonna do something, man. We're gonna do a fully loaded corn cake. And man, you talking about really, really good. Man, hey, man, y'all gonna be with the Cooking General, you know what I'm saying? Soldiers, we gotta get in line, man. We got to follow this here. Hey, y'all watch what I use in the recipe. You're gonna really like this here. Man, Cooking General, boy, check this out. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I'm using the Martha White, Gladiola cornbread. You can use Jiffy if you want to. And you just follow the directions on the cornbread, but the only thing you're gonna do different here is you're gonna mix the cornbread up with your egg, and I'm just using one pack because it's just me. And I'm gonna use my milk, and then I'm also gonna use some butter, and I'm gonna also put syrup in the mix, and then also you're gonna mix in your cheddar cheese, you're gonna use ham, you're gonna use some kind of pan sausage, which I'm using Jimmy Dean's hot because I like it a little spicy, and bacon. And I got my bacon already pre-cooked, and I'm gonna crumble that up. I'm gonna brown this here, and I'm gonna crumble that up, and I'm gonna dice my ham up. You dice up real fine because we're gonna put it in a bowl, and we're gonna mix all this together, and we're gonna fry them like pancakes. Man, check it out. It's gonna be good. I'm telling you, Cooking General, this is a fully loaded corn cake. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, as you can see, you just follow the cornbread directions, and you whip it up, Just do it like you normally do. Now, what I want to show you here, you see, I got my ham, my cheese, I got my pan sausage, and my bacon. And we're gonna put that into the mix, just like that. Alrighty. And we also gonna add some syrup. About right there. And then we're gonna mix this up. And you come back, we're gonna put it in some butter in the skillet, and we're gonna fry them up like pancakes. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. You see I got a little bit more mix in the bowl. I'll make a few of them. I'm doing 3 of them right now. You just put you some butter in the pan, get your spatula, turn them over. You got everything in them. And you talking about delicious. Man, let me go ahead and get them up ready so I can taste them and let you know how they taste. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, we're back to the Cooking General. Now you got everything inside them. I got a little syrup, but I'm gonna add some more syrup to them. A little bit, just to taste. Put it on there, like that there. So let me try this one here. There we go. It's got everything in there. Man, that's a basic good meal right there. Man, always come to me for unique ideas. Cooking General, ask somebody. Oh man, how y'all like that one there, man? Hey, cause that's, man, I remember when I was rocking with y'all, when I just had 100 subs, man, y'all pushing the channel to 5,000. Hey, I know I've been doing this business a long time. A lot of people don't know about me because I don't advertise this channel or nothing, but I appreciate that y'all coming in and telling people about the Cooking General, and they coming in and watching. Basic cooking, single men, single women. Man, hey, cadets, we finna march this here. We're gonna march this out here the rest of this year, and man, I'm telling you, I'm coming to y'all, and we're gonna march this to a new tune. Cooking General, y'all ready to march? Let's do it.